Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, my trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading near the record high of 40594060. If you look at the economic calendar, we can see today is a holiday in USA, then Japan, and also Canada. Okay, but still we can see that market is volatile. There was a time when market used to be flat, not much activity during the holidays, but these days are different. Every day is a new day. Every day is full of fireworks. And today, right at the market opening, we saw crazy amount of volatility on the chart of gold. As we all know, due to the rising tension between USA and China, gold started going up again. This was the main reason why we saw gold bullish on Friday, and gold is right now continuing the overall upside. If we look at the economic, market sentiment, you can see gold rises buoyed by monetary debasement fears. Gold hovers near record peak. Gold prices rose to 4050 per ounce on Monday, hovering near a record high hit earlier in the session. As renewed US-China trade tensions and broader economic uncertainty boosted safe haven demand. So, my dear friend, gold is back on track again. As we have discussed plenty of times that technically there should have been a bigger retracement on gold, correction on gold, but sadly there was no proper correction on gold. And as long as gold is bullish, following the trend of the market is the only solution. Okay, but yes, as a trader, we need to be careful because we know that gold is trading at a very dangerous level. Any day there may be a big drop and things will be crazy. So if you have any ongoing buy on gold, hold your buy. Yes, market is bullish, hold your buy position, but please use proper stop loss. At least use a trailing stop loss so that when the market will reverse, you don't have to cry. And if we are looking for a fresh position in the market, new position, then obviously respecting the ongoing situation, it will be better and safer for you to be on the buy side only. Okay. Now, if you're looking for a detailed analysis, then you can watch the video from Saturday where we have discussed how we have derived these levels, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you guys. So let's focus on the new levels. So my friends, on Saturday we discussed that if market goes up, then we can look for a buy above 4030. Yes, market closed around 4016. Okay, but we had a resistance around 4021, and till 30. Okay, we had a resistance zone. So we discussed that till 4030 or this whole yellow box is going to cause some trouble. Okay, so we discussed that we need to be on buy above 4030 only, or we need to buy at pullback. So as per our expectation, market went above 4030. Okay, and the same level became the support. So if you got the opportunity to enter in the morning, then I hope you guys made some good money, because when the action took place, okay, I was sleeping. Okay, though I made some profit, okay, but obviously I could not enter around 4030. My entry was quite late because I was sleeping. But many of you got the move and hope you guys made some good money, because market just reacted according to our expectation. And right now we can see that gold is standing near the resistance. So what should be our strategy here? So first and foremost, we need to keep in mind that market sentiment is bullish. Secondly, we can see that the structure is also higher lows here. So the structure is also pointing out that there is a high chance that gold will be going up from here. Means market will be breaking 405 and 4060. So if that happens, then obviously we can buy at breakout, means we can buy above 4060. Okay, but keep in mind 4059 4060 was the level from where market reversed previously. So this is going to be a little bit crucial level. Okay, so right now we can see the market is in consolidation, which is a very good sign, because before any breakout, if consolidation comes, okay, it gives us the confidence that okay, breakout is going to be a real one. So we can see that already there has been consolidation. Okay, if market goes up, then yes, we can look for a buy above 4060. But if you do not want to go for risk, if you want a safer entry, then obviously you can wait for the market to come down. Okay, when 4060 4058 will become the new support, means just like this, when the previous resistance will become the new support, means when this level 6058 will become the new support, you can enter there as well. So it's up to you. Okay, if you can afford to take some risk, you can buy at breakout, because it seems to be that okay, the breakout is going to be a good one. Okay, and if you do not want to take any risk, it's better to buy at pullback only. Okay, because buying at breakout, okay, especially in the Asian session, can be risky. I can understand, because breakout requires volume and US session is specialized for breakouts. And if market fails to go up from here, then obviously gold will be coming down. If that happens, if the breakout fails, then we can look for a support around this same support zone. Yes, we can look for support around 4030, 4025, the same support zone. If we can expect one bounce from here. Second time, okay, second or third time, I don't think so. 4030, 4025 will be able to provide support again. So if that happens, okay, the second support will be around 4005, 4000. Okay, round number psychological level. Okay, so this is going to be the second support. So on the chart of gold, okay, we do not have any major support that we discussed on Saturday also. So we do not have any major support, but in this situation, if market comes down, 403025 should be able to provide one support. Okay, one bounce means we can enter. But if market surprises us, okay, then we can look for support around the second level, which is 4005 to 4000. But as of now, chances are high that gold, okay, will be going above 4060. Let's wait and watch. After all, market is full of surprises. So my dear friends, do not be too confident. Do not be, okay, too greedy. Use proper stop loss, because never forget, we are traders, not gamblers. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. This is the chart of silver in front of us. To be honest, okay, I do not consider myself to be an expert of silver. Not, I don't consider myself to be an expert of gold as well. But still, okay, I have been trading on gold for a long time. So yes, I can understand the body language of gold. Personally, I rarely trade on silver. I still upload videos on silver because you guys request. But okay, this is an honest confession. Okay, I do not trade on silver much. Okay. I doubt hardly I have traded 10 times or not. Anyways, okay, on the chart of silver, okay, we can see that, okay, market is super bullish and market is above all the levels. Okay, here, not much to discuss here, to be honest, because already market crossed the resistances, the previous levels, and the same level, yes, and the same level became the new support as well, around 51.25, 51.20. So already the previous resistance has become support. So if you have any buy here, also you can hold your buy position, because market seems to be super bullish. Hold your buy position with trailing stop loss. That's it. And already here we can see the market has taken support around the previous resistance. If okay, market comes down for deeper retracement, then you can expect the next support to be around 50.63, around 50.65, 50.6, around this area you can expect the next support. But otherwise, market is bullish. Okay, we can expect the market to be going up from here. And one more thing I would like to add here is that, okay, stay in touch with news. Any comment from US President Donald Trump or White House will, okay, will bring crazy volatility on DXY, gold and silver. Stay in touch with the news, okay, if you are a trader. Bye bye, take care.